The power cord passes through the cord protector as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord protector gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord protector is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord protector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor cover. Now remove the cord clamp. Now I can pull the wiring from the housing. Now I'll disconnect the cord wires. The wires are secured to the speed control and the terminal with what's called a trapdoor connector. To remove the wire, I'll insert a pin next to it, and that'll open the connector. Then I can pull the wire away. Now I can replace the cord protector. I'll pull the old one away from the cord and slide the new one in place. Now I can reinstall the cord. I'll connect the white wire to the speed control and the black wire to the terminal. Now I can reinstall the components back into the housing. I'll align the speed control switch with the housing, place the cord relief and cord back into the housing, as well as the rear cap. I'll secure the cord in place with the cord clamp. Now I'll realign the switch. The wires should go to the back of the housing. As I do this, I'll place the actuator over the top of the switch. I'll make sure that the wires are tucked into their tabs, and then I'll place the terminal just behind the switch. I'll reinstall the other half of the housing and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new cord protector on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up